One of the easiest and most portable ways to work crystal magic is to charge a small stone with a particular intention and then keep it with you in a pocket or pendant as you go about your day. The energy of the crystal itself combines with the magical energy of your intention to reinforce the manifestation of your desire. In addition, your awareness of the charmed stone on your person helps remind you that the universe is realigning itself to conform to your request. This type of spell is particularly useful for working concerning emotional, psychological, and spiritual challenges, such as boosting your courage when facing a difficult task or situation. However, you can also charge a stone for longer term goals, such as attracting prosperity or driving away sources of chronic negativity. One note of caution: if you carry stones in your pocket, be sure not to carry keys or any other sharp objects in the same pocket, as many of the stones used in magic can scratch easily. It's also best to avoid carrying polished and raw stones together, particularly raw crystal points, which can definitely scratch the softer, polished variety. Of course, you can wrap polished stones in a soft cloth to avoid these risks, though some argue that this creates an unnecessary extra barrier between the stone's energy and your body. This may or may not be the case for you, however, so do what feels right for your circumstances. Finally, try to avoid carrying cell phones and other wireless devices with magically charged crystals, as it's possible that the energy from these gadgets can interfere, however slightly, with the stone's energy field. Here is your talisman for protection. You will need one white, black, or purple candle. These are good colors for charging stones, but use a different color if you prefer. One or more amethyst or clear quartz crystal pieces. These crystals are excellent charge boosters, but are not strictly necessary. So if you don't have either crystal, you can still charge your talisman stone with your own energy. One stone to charge and carry. Place the amethyst or quartz in front of the candle and light the wick. Hold your talisman stone in both hands. Close your eyes and take several deep breaths. Visualize yourself achieving the effect that you want the talisman to recreate later. Here we want a circle of protection. Visualize a white light of protection coming from the talisman stone and covering you so that you are inside a white sphere. Using words of affirmations will help solidify the visualization, which is the expression of your intention for this talisman. When you sense that the stone has been programmed with the energy you are asking it to draw on later, place the stone near the amethyst or clear quartz and leave it with the candle burning for at least 1 hour. Then it's ready to take with you wherever you go, whenever you need it. In the same way, you can create talismans for different purposes. I will give one more talisman here, that is the talisman for courage. Follow the same procedure as I have mentioned before. Crystal, you need carnelian. You can also use tiger's eye. You need courage most of the time in a specific situation, whether it's a job interview, a first date, or maybe a new journey in life. As you hold the carnelian in your hands, visualize the circumstances that you need courage for. Now imagine yourself filled with bright orange light, radiating it outward like sunlight in all directions. Hold this light in your visualization as you see yourself succeeding in the situation. Say an affirmation out loud, such as, I stand in the fire of courage and walk bravely into so and so. That is your situation. You have to name your situation there. So let it be. That's all in today's video. Please do like, share, and comment. And if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel and please hit the bell icon so that you get notifications of all my uploads. Thank you so much.